In this video, we'll discuss how Chief Carriers is building a safety-first culture. My name is Beth Frerichs. I'm the Director of Marketing and Communications for Chief Industries, and I'm here today with Andrew Winkler, the General Manager for Chief Carriers, and we're going to talk about all things safety. Andrew, I know for your team, safety is such a high priority. What do you guys do in your day-to-day culture that really brings that safety piece out?
Yeah, that's a great question. So one of the things that happens on day one of driver orientation or any new associate that comes into the business is I actually sit down with them, usually first thing in the morning, and we talk about our safety commitment here at Chief Carriers. One of the things we like to say is that safety is not a priority here, it's a core value. And the difference there is priorities change from day to day, right? Whatever's hot. But if it's a core value, you never sacrifice it. It never changes.
So these core values of safety, it's not just here in the office, it's also about being on the road. So how do you make sure that these drivers feel supported and protected when they're on the road as well?
Yeah, that's a great question. One of the things we did when we jumped into the safety culture was we actually brought our drivers in and we took their advice. We brought technicians in, we brought dispatchers in, and we wrote these core values together as a team. So we live it, breathe it every day.
And those drivers not only hear those core values, but there's also technology that they use in their trucks to make sure they're supported and safe on the road too, right?
There's a lot of technology in the trucks today. So it may be similar to what you're driving if you're driving a fairly new vehicle and stuff, but you think about the trucks have collision mitigation. So they have the radar in the front and they have automatic braking. We have dash cameras in the trucks that help us with that stuff. So the safety's everywhere.
And the safety doesn't stop just with the things in the truck. You guys actually added on to this building, I'm not sure how many years ago, but you added on your securement bay so the drivers themselves aren't securing things outside in the weather. They're able to do it indoors. What prompted that?
Oh, it's a great story. So I spent 20 plus years in the industry, but I did not come from the flatbed side of things. So this was all kind of new to me when I came in 2018. I remember looking out my window of my office one afternoon and I'm watching a driver fighting a big tarp in the wind as he's standing on top of a load, and I'm going, oh my goodness, this is not a safe situation. So with some discussions with DJ and stuff, we said, man, if we could just add on a couple bays and dedicate that so our guys had an environment where they could get out of the weather, out of the wind, out of the snow, the rain, all those things, it would really set us apart from what other carriers are doing. So that's really where it came from. And the other thing I think about too was we hire drivers all year long. So if you're a flatbed driver and you want to come to work for Chief and you have to come to orientation in Nebraska in the middle of the winter, that's probably not very appealing. So this allowed us to get everybody indoors for training as well.
What helps the drivers when they are securing those loads in the securement bay of doing it inside rather than outside with just like fall protection and making sure they're not slipping because of ice or something like that?
Absolutely. So we created platforms that were the same height as the flatbed trailers out there. So as they're tying down their loads, they're actually 4 feet in the air, the same height as the trailer. So they're not trying to constantly throw things up and over the trailer itself or the cargo. And it just allows a safer environment for them.
You already mentioned this, and we talked a little bit about the technology in the trucks. Are there any technology features that any of the drivers have requested that you've seen implemented into those trucks?
Yeah, I think dash cameras were kind of controversial when they first came out. There's dash cameras that are outward facing and some that are inward facing into the cab too, so you can watch the driver. In our case, we just do the outward facing. And the drivers are good with that. They understand that those cameras are there to help them and protect them, and in many cases have exonerated them from either being involved in an accident or a close call or something like that. So they get the value of having that safety in the truck for their benefit.
So Andrew, with the drivers having this technology and the cameras in the trucks, what's the incentive for them to want to have those or to ensure that they are being safe on the road?
One of the great things about the camera system we run is it actually has a scorecard for the driver, and it's a live scorecard. So they can see it's measuring their driving habits. What is their following distance? Are they taking it easy when they're braking, making sure they're not making any abrupt turns and things like that? And it gives them a daily score anywhere from 0 to 100. So the guys have really, if they're competitive at all, right, And we actually post some of those scores in the office up on some TVs and stuff, so they see their name, they want to be in the top 10%, things like that. So we've been able to gamify some of the safety, and then we tie it back to their compensation. So we want the safest drivers in the industry, and that's how we do some of that.
Well, you can tell that safety is just a core principle for you guys. It's something that is a non-negotiable, it's every day. Are there things that happen behind the scenes that most people wouldn't think of that drivers are doing on a daily basis to keep that safety?
Well, I think beyond the drivers too, and I'm thinking about this place right here, the maintenance shop, right? It gets taken for granted a little bit, but one of the things I was impressed with when I came to Chief was they actually had a safety lane. And what happens is when the trucks are inbound to the terminal, every truck, every driver stops in the safety lane. A technician goes out to meet them, and they do a walk-around inspection together of the equipment to make sure it gets written up the right way.
Well, there's lots of things happening at Chief Carriers, and safety is one thing that's happening on a daily basis. We're so excited to hear that. We know that safety is important across all of our brands. So kudos to you and your team for doing the right things for the right reasons, and we can't wait to see those different safety things continue to be shown on your social media, to be talked about with your team, and just to be kind of the everyday standards that you guys have. So thank you so much, Andrew. We definitely appreciate your time today.
Thank you.